and Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm. Southeastern Central Illinois, Benton County, Southern Newton County, Southern Jasper County, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 2:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Remington to near Kentland to near Sheldon, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexeca, Fowler, Kentland, Otterbein, Remington, Oxford, Sheldon, Goodland, Brook, Boswell, Earl Park, Stockland, Collegeville, Woodland, Ambia, Dunnington, Wabena, Swayington, Forsman, and Templeton, including the following interstate: Indiana 165 between mile markers 200 and 211. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper and Newton, and Iroquois, Illinois. And now a look at your forecast for the Lafayette and Monticello areas. Late this afternoon, mostly sunny with chance of showers and slight chance of...
Mostly sunny immediately after a severe thunderstorm warning.